Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Thanks for taking a look. This is a 2019 Ford F-350, the Super Duty Power Stroke. Stock number is 7403. Let's give you that virtual video walk around up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. This truck has, as I mentioned, just over 11,000 miles, so super low miles. Has had a 150-point vehicle inspection performed for peace of mind driving. Does come equipped with a backup camera, bed liner, of course, clean Carfax history report, running boards. That's kind of a tough word to say. I'll call that running boards. Ample legroom in the rear, as you can see, for friends and family. And then we're going to make our way into the front of the vehicle. No rips, no tears, no stains on the interior condition, as you can see. Easy access to all the controls within arm's length. She's not going to last long. In fact, I think I'm going to go take her for a drive. For more information on this truck or any others in our inventory, call us, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person. Better yet, hopefully earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.